Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase. Now I already have a video talking about how to buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase Pro, and I prefer to use Coinbase Pro because there's less fees. So if you want to go to that video, I'll leave it on the screen. But if you want a quick and easy way to buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase, here it is. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually link a bank account to your Coinbase account. So at the top left, you see those three lines. We're going to click on that. And then you're going to click on profile and settings. And after you've clicked on profile and settings, you're brought to this screen. And as you can see right there, add a payment method. So you're going to click on that, go through everything that's on the screen, add your bank account information, and that's how you add a bank account to Coinbase. Okay, so after you added a bank account on Coinbase, you're going to buy Shiba Inu. So along the bottom, you'll have multiple options here. So I'm going to click on the center button with the arrows pointing in opposite directions. So click on that. So here you have a bunch of options. We're going to click on buy. And now we're going to search for Shiba Inu. Okay, so Shiba Inu right there. Okay, so it took some time to load. So as you can see here, how much Shiba Inu do you want to buy? Let's just say I'm going to buy $10 worth of Shiba Inu. And you can see that your bank account is listed right there. We're just going to let it take some time to load. Now I'm going to click on preview buy. And right here, it'll tell you how much Shiba Inu you're going to be buying. So if I buy $10 worth right now, I'll buy 124,000 shares. And it's telling me that I'm actually only going to be purchasing $9.01 worth because I'll have to pay Coinbase fee of 99 cents. So just keep that in mind. Fees on Coinbase are relatively high. But if you choose to go this route, just know if you use my link below and buy $100 worth of Shiba Inu, you'll get $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. So that cancels out your fee if the fee is, less than $10. On the flip side, you could go and buy Shiba Inu on Coinbase Pro and pay a lot less in fees. So if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button.